Unit 5. Happy Holidays. Listening 5. Read and listen.
Oasis of the Seas is the biggest passenger ship in the world. The lucky passengers have got lots of activities to choose from. The ship has got 16 decks. Each deck has got different areas or zones for passengers to visit. The enormous shopping zone is called the Royal Promenade. There are lots of different shops and places to eat here. There is a shopping mall, lots of different restaurants, and also some cafes. There are lots of different types of food to choose from: British, Italian, Chinese, Indian, and others. This is Central Park. It is the first ever living park at sea. It's amazing! This part of the ship hasn't got a roof. It's got lots of real trees and plants, and it's a great place to relax. There are lots of ways to keep fit on board. You can swim in 4 pools and 10 whirlpools in the pool zone. In the sports zone, you can play basketball, climb rock walls, or play mini golf. Passengers can visit a gym and have some exercise classes too. They can also have dance lessons or skate on an ice rink on the ship. The youth zone is a great place for young children and teenagers. They can learn about science or art, or they can just relax and have lots of fun. The entertainment place is the zone where passengers can go in the evening. It's got 2 theatres and 2 cinemas. The bars and restaurants have got live music most nights.